Hi, I am Rayanne McDowell from the Public Relations Department of the C.W.S.A. and today we are in the Dalaway Mountains with students from the Intermediate High School, Vincent Grammar School and the St. Joseph's Convent Kingstown. Now basically we are here today with the students to show them where we get our water from. So we are making the hike up to the catchment for Dalaway and we'd like you to join us and come along for the hike. Let's go.
For me, it gives a better understanding of how the water in the homes. Because before I came here, I never had a quite understanding, had an idea. But now coming here, seeing it, gives me better acceptance and gratefulness for the stuff that I've done to provide clean, safe water for all homes. I had a really great experience because we got to learn about what really goes in filtration and such of water to our homes and everyday use. I got to learn a lot about what goes into it and the stages as such, because they're really important, and ways that we could possibly help save the water and better treat it. So we had a really fun experience. I think people should really work on conserve better care of the environment because it leads back to rivers which we get our waters from, and if we dirty those, then that will affect our waters and affect us and everything else we do there. Yes, I think today was really good and lots of other people should come and enjoy and see what goes on behind the scenes of how we get our water, because you get to learn a lot and better appreciate what goes into it.